Find a comfortable seated position, ensuring your back is straight and your feet are planted firmly on the ground. Take a moment to settle in. As you gently close your eyes, you start to take several deep breaths, noticing the rise and fall of your chest. You permit your awareness to gradually turn inward. As you become aware of your natural breathing rhythm, allow your breath to move freely in its own cadence. Embrace the harmony found in the rise and fall of each breath you take. As you continue to connect with your breath, bring your attention to your first chakra, located at the base of your spine. As you concentrate on that chakra, you might start to sense a vibrant red sphere of light energy. Take several deep breaths and allow this light to radiate and intensify with each inhale. Let this radiant energy mend the bond between the earth and your body. Now, direct your attention to the second chakra, situated just below your navel. As you concentrate on this chakra, you will start to sense its vibrant orange sphere of light energy. Take several deep breaths, envisioning this light becoming brighter and more powerful. Embrace this light as it nurtures and heals your connection to your emotions and inner creativity. Direct your focus now to the third chakra, situated in your solar plexus. As you concentrate on this chakra, you'll start to sense a radiant yellow sphere of energy illuminating within you. Take several deep breaths, feeling this light becoming brighter and more powerful. Embrace this light as it nurtures the bond between your personal strength and your sense of self. Now, shift your focus to the fourth chakra, which is situated in your heart. As you concentrate on this chakra, you'll start to sense its radiant green sphere of light energy. Take several deep breaths, allowing this light to become more vibrant and powerful. Embrace this light as it nurtures and heals your bond with love and compassion. Direct your focus now to the fifth chakra, which resides in your throat, As you concentrate on this chakra, you'll start to sense its radiant blue sphere of light energy. Breathe deeply a few times and feel this light intensifying and shining brighter. Embrace this light as it nurtures your connection to your inner truth and enhances your ability to express it. Focus your attention now on the area between your eyebrows, where the sixth chakra is located. This spot is commonly referred to as your third eye. Picture a stunning indigo light radiating vibrantly at this moment. With each inhale, visualize this indigo light intensifying and becoming more luminous. As you exhale, sense the light expanding throughout your entire body, enveloping you in a profound sense of clarity and understanding. Take a moment to calm your thoughts and connect with the wisdom of your third eye chakra. You might pose questions like, "What do I need to know in this moment?" or "What is my highest truth?" and be open to the insights that arise. Trust in the answers and thoughts that come to you. Let them serve as your guiding light. Now, focus your attention on the crown of your head, where your seventh chakra, known as the Crown Chakra, is located. Envision a radiant violet light illuminating this moment. As you take a deep breath, picture this violet glow becoming more intense and vibrant. As you breathe out, envision the light radiating through your whole being, enveloping you in a profound sense of spirituality and connection to the divine. You permit yourself to release your ego and any feeling of separation from the universe. Visualize yourself as a component of a larger whole, intertwined with all beings and the divine. Experience a deep sense of connection and unity with everything in existence. As you take deep breaths, visualize each of these chakras radiating with a vibrant and harmonious glow. Experience a harmonious balance and a sense of well-being in both your body and mind. Inhale deeply a few more times. Embracing the opportunity to immerse yourself in the present moment. Experiencing a reconnection with your physical self. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, recalling the sense of balance and harmony you felt during this meditation. Take those feelings with you as you continue through your day.